Hey everybody, this is Daniel with a new MA tips video. Today we want to have a look at some elements to organize our preset pools, especially the new display mode. So let's have a look at our preset pools, and we can see the MA logo here up front. So we can press the MA logo and we will open up the pool settings. That works for the dimmer preset pool or position or gobo preset pool, for all the different pools you have. And within these pool settings you can change some things. You can change the overall pool color to show the complete preset pool in a different color, but you can also change some colors which decide how to display your presets when you have a current fixture selection. So is the preset relevant for all fixtures? Is it just relevant for some fixtures or even for non-fixtures? And of course, if you're messed up with all the different colors, you can reset the colors by using this Reset Colors button. And then we have a new option here as well, which is called display mode. And here you can decide if you want to see the text and the symbol for each preset pool object, or if you want to see only the text or only the symbol. So let's have a look at an example. We have our color preset pool here, and you can see that the display mode currently is only on symbol. So that makes sense if we just want to see the color pie chart of our colors. But we can also go to text and symbol and we would see the text. We can also only show the text if you want to use some scribbles, for example. So when you make your own scribbles with your own colors, for example, you have done some color phases and you want to display the different colors there using scribbles, then it might make sense to hide the pie charts and to get rid of the symbols, to just only show the text. So a lot of different options you can choose here to organize your preset pools and to get a little bit more overview to that. Hope that helps, and hopefully see you next time for the MA tips.